Let's see what color we're going to use for the scenery. Let's use the green colors, drawing according to the lines. These lines you can see here. Okay, and putting the red here and the black for the ground. We're just drawing some colors here. Putting the tree in a nice format, drawing like this. Separate tree you can draw with a red color. So you can see there are three trees here, and for the sun just draw a round shape. This is going to be the very elementary drawing. You can see a sun up here. And let's see few fences on this side. Okay, and the grasses are a little bit taller on this segment. You can draw a few birds flying up to the horizon. Like this, they are just flying. Okay, so that's the complete scenery, and a little bit more details on the leaves of the trees. Very simple, easy, less amount of time. You can do practice at home. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Have a good day.